G them out. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we got another install. Got another install for you guys today on the Q. So today I'm install some AMS intakes, some red alpha intakes from AMS. So that's what we're gonna do today. So before you guys reach any further into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, thank you for rocking with me, and make sure y'all watch the full video, man. It really helps out the channel. And let me know if you guys like the Q. So I got the intakes in the car right here. See, you got the alpha badge. So I'm gonna set it up around there and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so here they are right now. I already unboxed it and look already, so yeah guys, but sheesh, there they are. Brand new AMS intakes. Right there, guys. Let's see if I could get a thumbnail shot real quick. So that's gonna be the thumbnail shot right there. Yeah, guys. So let me know if y'all like these intakes, man. They're brand new, and they come with all the hardwares and all of that. Everything you're gonna need. The alpha logo on the intakes. This shit looking good. So drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about these intakes, man. Yeah, so let's get into the install. Okay guys, so with this install, you're gonna need a flat point screwdriver and a star point or a Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm socket to like pull the bolts. Like one is right there and one is on the right here, and the same thing goes for that side. So let's take this cover piece off right here and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I took it off. I rest it right there, and don't pay attention to this. The coolant flow over like when I was changing the heat exchanger. As you can see right there, I got a brand new heat exchanger right there. So when I was pouring the coolant in, it runs over. But these are the bolts I'm talking about. So you got one right here, you got one right here, and those are 10mm. Same thing on this side. And look at these filters, guys. Damn, they need to change. But first, before y'all take off the intakes, just pull this part real quick. Use the 10 right here and use the 10 right there to pull it off, and don't lose these screws, guys. So just like that, pull it, take it out. Same thing for this side, don't lose these. So by doing this and pulling these two screws, it's gonna be more easier for you. So I'm gonna just do all of that and then take it out and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I take off this piece first, off this, and then this right here is a flathead, so you're just gonna have to like open it, and then you push your hands down in it and pull it off. But first we're gonna have to take this off so we could use it on the new one. You got some Phillips screws right there that holds this plastic piece in place with the sensor. So take this off and then you're good. So I'll take this off right now and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I took this piece out, and a O-ring is gonna be like on this. You're not gonna need it for the aftermarket. And for this, to take this out, you're gonna have to put the flat point right here and pry it up. So that's how you take this out. So this is the stock one. We got the aftermarket right here, and we're not gonna need this again because we got some already in that. So yeah guys, so I'm doing the passenger side first. No, I'm doing the driver side first. So there's the turbo right there, the little ones, and also I'm not running no blow-off valve. So yeah guys. Okay guys, so when y'all take this piece off, get the aftermarket one, and y'all gonna make sure like this part is lined up, and make sure this is sitting flush, and tighten this as tight as you can. And this piece is gonna go like right here, but make sure the flat point part right there stays up so you could tighten it. And that's how y'all do it guys. So I'm gonna do that real quick and move on to the other side. Okay guys, so I put in this one and I tighten this. Damn, it's blurry. See if I could get it focused. But that I tightened that with a extension and a 8mm. And now I'm gonna put on the intakes, and I got the hardware right there already. So one for each side. And remember guys, these screws, make sure y'all put it in the intake good so it doesn't fall out. So yeah guys. Okay guys, so the little screw, make sure y'all put it like right here, and I use the pliers to like snap it in. So I'm gonna put on the intakes now. So first you're gonna have to like turn this side to the side like this, so the hole is right there so you guys could tighten it. Yeah guys, so we're gonna do it like this and make sure it lines up like that. You can see the bolt right there, and the little bracket piece is gonna go on the other side like this. We're gonna screw a screw down on it in this, like right here, so it could like hold it down. So we're gonna tighten it now and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I dropped this one in. Everything is bolted up already. Everything down there is good. See that bolt right there? I tighten it with this, with a 8, with the extension on it. And so this one is ready to go. So time to take out this one. So first, gonna try to like probably take off the clips first. Take this piece off first. So you're gonna have to lift it up like that, and then push this to the side like this, and lift this up, and then you're gonna try like push this one down and pull this one up. So you're gonna lift this one up, push this one down to like pull it off. So I'm gonna do that first, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so for this one, it's kind of a little tricky. You're gonna have to push your hands all the way down in there to take it off. You're gonna have to push your hands all the way down. You're gonna have to use like a 8mm, and use your hands and take it off. So that's how you guys take it off. And we're gonna take this PCV valve out and transfer it to the new one. So I'm gonna do all of that and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so this little part comes from the OEM one. So you're gonna have to take the OEM one out and put it in this one, and that's how y'all set it back. So it's gonna look like this, and you're gonna tighten this one from over here. Same like how you take it out first. That's how you're gonna do it. And remember, the O-ring, you don't need the O-ring of the OEM one. You don't need it. So that's how it should look. So now we're gonna have to put back the PCV valve right here on the intake, and so we're gonna do that and put this back on and put the filter on and all of that. So I'm gonna do all of that real quick and explain how I do it. Okay guys, so I put everything back together. There's the PCV valve right there and the other one right there. You could see it shining. It's like right here. Wait, like right there. I don't got no light, so yeah, I'm not gonna see it like that, but it's right there. So I use a swivel with an 8 and I put it back. So I'm gonna put the top piece on, put everything back together. Make sure y'all don't forget the sensors, because most of y'all that I watch on YouTube, y'all forget the sensors. So y'all don't forget it. And this one goes on the turbo right there. I plug it so out the way so I could get like way to move like the PCV valve right there. So this connector is for that, and the sensor connector is for right here. So I'm gonna put this one on first, then put this, then I'm gonna put on the filter. Okay guys, so I just finished with this one. So I tighten it. So y'all gonna have to like put your hands around in here and use a small one, probably a little smaller than this. Push it through the hole around here and tighten it. So this one is on, but I'm gonna have to put this piece on it. This I'm gonna have to screw it like right here, but I'm taking out these first and transfer it to this. So I'm gonna do all of that and then come back to you guys. Okay guys, so I button up this one, so everything is on, everything is sturdy. And yeah guys, make sure y'all connect back the sensors and all of them. Make sure y'all connect it back so everything is connected. So I'm gonna get the first startup and let you guys hear it. Okay guys, so that's how it sounds. This thing sounds nasty. Sheesh. If y'all like the install and if y'all learn anything good with this video, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.